जो आदमी लिमिट में रहता है वो जिंदगी भर लिमिट में ही रह जाता है।
लोग अपनी जिंदगी बनाते हैं, मैं अपनी जन्नत बनाता हूँ।
What is Tinder?
Tinder is basically people want to hook up, they just sort of advertise themselves कि ये मेरी शक्ल है, ये चीज़ें मैं करता हूँ, तो अब तुमको मैं अच्छा लगता हूँ, तुमको मैं अच्छी लगती हूँ तो मुझे राइट में स्वाइप कर दो, नहीं अच्छी लगती हूँ लेफ्ट में कर दो।
Because they are like so horrible that they can't just get up and get someone on their own and they need some stupid app for it.
Yeah, for it. But works sometimes for people like other
Any
my
story
friends.
of your
But it
friend?
depends. Yeah, my friend in US, in UCLA, it worked for her. She's been with this guy for a year and he's really good too. Yeah.
And for me, my friend in Mumbai, and she like the guy met a girl and then they hooked up 2-3 times and it was really good and it worked for them basically.
Okay, guys. And
Do you want to sign up for Tinder?
no.
Are you on Tinder?
Yeah.
Why do people use it so much here, everywhere?
Because they don't have enough time to go out and find somebody and they don't want to make a relationship.
Then what do they want to make?
Try to get it out. That is a tricky question.
Are you guys on Tinder?
Smoke free?
Nope.
Are you on Tinder?
No.
So do you want to be on Tinder?
Well, now I'm 18, so yeah, I'll download it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
That you can call it.
I think it's really useful maybe if you meet the right match.
I was in Dehradun and I found 3 girls. None. So the probability of getting a match with 3 girls in the same city is like 0.
But I don't want to share it away like that.
Yeah, like no,
Too
that is
bad
fine.
to be shared.
I passed out in school and woke up in a hospital.
अच्छा जी, पहाड़ों से हैं आप?
पहाड़ों से
पहाड़ किस चीज़ के लिए फेमस है?
पहाड़ तो बहुत चीज़ों के लिए फेमस है.
Do you think the college should be smoke free?
Yes. Yes.
Do you smoke? No?
Yeah, I smoke.
I gave a gali to a teacher, like on the face.
ऐसा क्या किया आपने? हमने ऐसी शायद ही कोई चीज़ होगी जो छोड़ दी हो.
I got drunk. Yeah, I got drunk.
की स्यापा रखा है तुझी की करदा रहंदा है.
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ नहीं मैं
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़.
So what we used to do is, if we didn't like our wardens, if the wardens were really mean to us, we would spill oil in front of their room.
Okay.
And then the next morning, as soon as they would walk out to wake us up, you know, she just slip around. And like, सारे laugh out.
Next day उठते हो और पता चलता है कि you are pregnant. What will be your reaction?
I will just go get an abortion because I hate kids.
Okay. What about you?
Why didn't I use a condom last night? That's all.
Tell you something like what, sneaking out? I don't know. We don't know. We just
Jumping out of the boundary?
I don't like this gate pass system. So I'm gonna find a way to trespass that. Definitely. I always find a way to trespass things.
Tinder क्या है?
Tinder social app है एक.
लोग Tinder क्यों यूज़ करते हैं?
सिलियां ढूंढने के लिए कोई कुड़ी मिल जाए.
Why would you be on Tinder if you're in a college
Yeah.
full of girls?
Yeah. That's why I'm asking. Why do people use Tinder?
You should ask yourself that.
I'm not on Tinder.
You said you were on Tinder.
Yeah, I lied.
Dot.